Luke chapter 18. Prayer. Then Jesus tell them one parable to show say e good make people dey always pray. He say, one judge dey for one town wey no dey fear God and e no dey respect anybody. For that town, e get one woman wey im husband don die. E come go meet the judge, come beg am, make you help me because some people dey cheat me. The judge no first listen to am, but after, he talk for im mind say, although I no dey fear God and I no dey respect anybody, but because this woman dey disturb me, I go make sure say e get wetin e suppose get. Otherwise, e no go let me rest with this im beggy wey e no dey finish. Jesus say, if the wicked judge talk like this, una not think say God go help im people wey dey cry to am both day and night? Abi God go wait tey before he help them? I tell una true word, God go help them quick. But when man pikin come back, he go see people wey get faith. The Pharisee and tax collector. Jesus come tell this parable to some people wey believe and feel say na dem holy pass and nobody good reach them. Two men go inside temple go pray. One na Pharisee and the other na tax collector. The Pharisee come stand, dey pray about himself say, God, I thank you say I no be like other people wey dey play wayo, dey sin, people wey dey commit adultery or even like this tax collector. Yes, sef. I dey fast 2 times a week and I dey pay 1 out of every 10 things wey I get give you. But the tax collector stand for far place and e no even look heaven, but come knack him chest dey say, God, make you sorry for me because I be sinner. I tell una true word, na the tax collector God go forgive, not be the Pharisee. Because anybody wey carry himself go up, God go bring am down. But the person wey put himself down, God go carry am up. Jesus and small children. Some people come bring their pikin, make Jesus touch them. But when the disciples see them, they come begin shout for the people wey bring the children. But Jesus call the children come, say, make una allow the small children come meet me, not stop them. Because na people like them get God kingdom. I tell una true word, anybody wey no receive God kingdom like small pikin no go enter inside. The Rish Man. One day, one Jew oga ask Jesus, good teacher, wetin I go do to get life wey no dey end? Jesus come tell am, why you dey call me good? Nobody good except God. You know the commandment dem wey say, make you not sleep with person wey no be your husband or wife, no kill person, no thief, respect your papa and mama. The man answered Jesus, I dey obey all this law with all my heart since I be small boy. When Jesus hear wetin the man talk, he come tell am, e still get one thing wey you never do. make you sell everything where you get. Give the money to poor people. Then you go get better property for heaven. After that, make you come follow me. When the man hear this one, he come dey vex because he rich well well. When Jesus know say the man dey vex, he come tell the people where he dey with am. E go hard well well for people where he rich well well to enter God kingdom. E dey easy for camel to pass needle hole than for person where he rich well well to enter God kingdom. People wey hear this word come say, then who God go save? Jesus answer, wetin not possible for human being, dey possible with God. Then Peter say, Oga God, we don leave everything where we get, come follow you. Jesus come tell am, I tell una the truth. Anybody where live in house, wife, brothers, papa, mama, or pikin because of God kingdom, God go bless am with waiting past all the things where he live, both for this world and for the life where they come. Jesus talk about in death again. Jesus called the 12 disciples go corner, come tell them, see, we dey go Jerusalem, and everything where the prophets write about man pikin go happen for there. Because then go give am to Gentile people, and then go laugh, curse, and spit for him body. Then go flog am well well, and then go come kill am. But for the third day, he go wake up. But the 12 disciples no understand wetin Jesus talk, because God hide wetin he mean from them. Jesus heal blind man. As Jesus near Jericho, one man wey blind sit down for the road corner dey beg. When he hear plenty people dey pass, he come ask wetin dey happen. They come tell am say Jesus wey come from Nazareth, he dey pass. So the man come dey shout, Jesus, David pikin, make you sorry for me oh. So the people wey dey in front come dey shout for am make he quiet. But he come dey shout more, David pikin, make you sorry for me oh. So Jesus come stop, say make them bring the beggar come meet am. When the man come, Jesus ask am, wetin you want make I do for you? The man say, Oga God, I wan see again. Jesus come tell am, make you see now, your faith don heal you. At once the man begin see, and they come follow Jesus, they praise God. When the people see wetin happen, they come begin praise God.